Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we take a magnifying glass to the financial world and see if companies are truly as shiny as they seem. Today, we're digging into LivaNova PLC's latest report, and let's just say it involves some interesting financial tidbits and very specific dates. Stick around, because we're going to decode what this all means for you. Alright, let's dive in. We're looking at a Form 8K filing for LivaNova PLC, which is essentially a report that companies use to announce major events that shareholders should know about. Think of it as a company's official diary for really big news. This particular filing is dated the 5th of November, 2025. And it is all about their financial results for the third quarter of 2025, which ended on the 30th of September. Now, LivaNova is known for making medical devices, particularly in areas like cardiovascular and neuromodulation. So, when they release their financial results, it gives us a peek into how this cutting-edge healthcare business is performing. Scroll in the 5th of November, 2025. LivaNova PLC, the company BTN. The big news here is that on the 5th of November 2025, LivaNova put out a press release detailing their financial results for the quarter that just wrapped up. They're also hosting a business update call and webcast the very same day, the 5th of November, to discuss these numbers. This tells us they are ready to talk about where they stand financially right now. The important thing to remember is that these kinds of reports don't just tell you how much money they made. They give us clues about the health of their operations, their ability to innovate, and their standing in the competitive medical device market. It is worth noting that LivaNova's ordinary shares are traded on the Nasdaq Global Market under the ticker symbol LIVN. This means that their stock performance and financial health are matters of public interest and directly affect investors. While this particular report doesn't contain detailed financial tables directly within its text, it references a press release that does. And that press release is attached as an exhibit. Often, these 8K filings will summarize key figures or point to where the most detailed financial information can be found. The point of these reports is to keep investors informed about significant changes or events, and financial results are definitely a major event. The essential takeaway from this filing is that LivaNova has announced its financial results for the third quarter of 2025. The press release, which is Exhibit 99.1, is where the real meat of their financial performance for the quarter lies. While we can't see the numbers directly in this document, we know they have officially communicated their financial standing for the period. This is crucial because it allows us to see if the company is growing, if their expenses are under control, and if their products are selling as expected. For a company in the medical device sector, consistent financial performance often signals successful product development, effective sales strategies, and a strong foothold in the healthcare industry. And good news for data geeks. As always, they've included an interactive data file, which makes it easier for systems to read and analyze the information, and for us to get to the numbers more quickly. Finally, the report is signed by Michael Hutchinson, who holds the important titles of SVP Company Secretary and Chief Legal Officer. This signifies that the information presented has been duly authorized and verified by the company's top executives. So, what's my take on this filing? Well, LivaNova is using this 8K to officially put their Q3 2025 financial results on record via a press release. The key here is that the press release is the source of truth for their specific financial performance. Without direct access to those numbers in this document, we're relying on the fact that they've communicated them and that they're hosting a call to discuss them. This tells us they are transparently sharing their performance, which is a positive sign for investor confidence. We'll need to look at that associated press release to really get into the weeds of their revenue, profit, and any significant year-over-year changes. But the fact that they're proactively announcing and discussing their Q3 results in November suggests they have a story they want to tell, and we'll be eager to hear it. What do you think about LivaNova's approach to sharing their financial updates? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights, and don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.